Hey, g'day guys, it's Trav here from Trav30387. So, this has been a video I've been wanting to do for a very long time, and I've had a good friend of mine give me the opportunity to ride this wild machine. What we got here is a Banshee 350 with the 426 cheetah kit in it. So, this is the first time I've ever rode one of these things, and it is off its fucking head. I have no other words to describe it. When I put some video footage up off the GoPro, yeah, it is mental, absolutely insane. The adrenaline was going through my body like you wouldn't believe. So today's bit of a scoop. We're gonna go for a look, just go for a, check out the lookout. We're just at the old tip there, having a bit of scout around, just doing some speed runs with it, and it's stupid fast. I have no words, it's just dumb fast. But anyway, I'll show you a look at this bike. What year model is it again?
06.
2006 model Banshee. So I'm not up to date with these things, so if you're coming to watch this video to want information on these things, I don't know nothing about them, I just want to ride one. So I'll come get the camera, show you a look at this bike, bit of a walk around, and then we're going to hit it and just let it rip and spray shit.
This is fucking insane.
I didn't tell that.
Oh.
Hang on tight.
Oh
Like,
man.
honestly. And when you think you haven't got any more gears, you got 6 to go.
fucking beast.
Got to check the weather on a fucking dust storm.
Righto guys, what do you reckon? This thing was fucking insane or what? I've never felt such an awesome ride ever. Just the power, like, just you got to experience it guys. Go out, find yourself a banshee, go for a lap. It is like a wild animal on roids, hey. Just the sound, the smell, the power. But anyway guys, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next video coming up will be a ride on a 96 CR500. I'm dead keen on riding that bike too guys. Righto, love your work. See you on the next video guys.